Hi guys, human hair extensions are a popular choice for those looking to add length, volume, and versatility to their hair. With a variety of options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the best human hair extensions for your needs. In this article, we will explore the top 5 best human hair extensions that you need to try. So, let's get started. Number 5, Deepwave Frontal Wig 13x6 HD Hair Extension and Wings. This hair wigs is here with the 62% price off. Now you can get it at around $78. In the world of beauty, hair serves as a crowning glory, an emblem of style, and a canvas for self-expression. Amidst a sea of options, one trend continues to captivate with its timeless allure, the Deepwave Frontal Wig. Crafted with precision and care, this masterpiece combines the natural beauty of Brazilian hair with the sophistication of a 13x6 HD lace frontal, promising a flawless blend, luxurious texture, and effortless elegance. Embracing natural beauty, Deepwave Frontal Wig. The Deepwave Frontal Wig epitomizes the fusion of luxury and authenticity. Made from premium Brazilian hair, renowned for its softness, durability, and natural luster, this wig boasts an intricate deep wave pattern that exudes charm and sophistication. Each strand is delicately woven to mimic the texture and movement of real hair, ensuring a look that's both seamless and strikingly beautiful. Precision craftsmanship, 13x6 HD lace frontal. At the heart of the Deepwave Frontal Wig lies its meticulously crafted 13x6 HD lace frontal. Engineered with precision and attention to detail, this frontal offers a natural hairline that seamlessly blends with your own, creating the illusion of hair growing directly from the scalp. The HD lace material further enhances the realism, providing a flawless finish that's virtually undetectable to the naked eye. Effortless sophistication, pre-plucked and natural hairline. What sets this wig apart is its attention to detail. The pre-plucked hairline ensures a seamless transition between the wig and your natural hair, eliminating any telltale signs of artificiality. This thoughtful design feature not only enhances the overall look but also saves you time and effort in styling. Number 4, Full Shine 50 grams Clip-In Hair, Hair Extension and Wings. This is here with the 40% price off. Now you can get it at around $17. In the fast-paced world of beauty and fashion, Full Shine Clip-In hair extensions stand out as a symbol of versatility and style. From subtle highlights to bold transformations, the allure of hair extensions has captivated women seeking to elevate their style effortlessly. Among the myriad of options available, Full Shine 50 grams Clip-In hair extensions emerge as a beacon of versatility, offering a blend of quality, convenience, and style that transcends trends. A glimpse of glamour, Full Shine Clip-In hair extensions. Full Shine Clip-In hair extensions redefine the art of hair enhancement with their impeccable craftsmanship and attention to detail. Crafted from high-quality human hair, these extensions boast a seamless blend with your natural locks, creating a flawless finish that exudes glamour and sophistication. Effortless elegance, lightweight and comfortable design. One of the defining features of Full Shine Clip-In hair extensions is their lightweight and comfortable design. Weighing only 50 grams per set, they provide the perfect balance of volume and thickness without weighing down your hair. Seamless integration, natural look and feel. What sets Full Shine Clip-In hair extensions apart is their ability to seamlessly KII8ZJSK mimic the texture and movement of real hair, ensuring a natural look and feel that's virtually indistinguishable from your own. Whether you're styling them straight, curled, or braided, these extensions blend seamlessly for a flawless finish that garners compliments wherever you go. Endless versatility, amber color and styling options with Full Shine Clip-In hair extensions, the possibilities are endless. The inclusion of amber colors adds a touch of drama and dimension to your look, allowing you to experiment with bold hues and subtle gradients. The next is Number 3, Bodywave 360 Full Lace Wig Human Hair Extension and Wings. This hair extensions is here with the 61% price off. Now you can get it at around $25. In the ever-evolving landscape of beauty and fashion, the Bodywave 360 Full Lace Wig emerges as a beacon of elegance and sophistication. From sleek and straight to voluminous curls, the versatility of hairstyles has always been a canvas for self-expression. In this pursuit of beauty, one gem stands out, the Bodywave 360 Full Lace Wig. Crafted from premium Brazilian human hair, this masterpiece offers a blend of elegance, comfort, and sophistication that captivates women worldwide. Unveiling the beauty, Bodywave 360 Full Lace Wig. The essence of the Bodywave 360 Full Lace Wig lies in its meticulous design and impeccable craftsmanship. At its core, this wig embodies the natural beauty of Brazilian hair, renowned for its softness, durability, and lustrous texture. Each strand is delicately woven into a bodywave pattern, creating a mesmerizing cascade of waves that exude timeless elegance. Unmatched versatility, pre-plucked design and lace frontal. What sets this wig apart is its versatility. The 360-degree lace design allows for effortless styling from every angle, granting you the freedom to part your hair in any direction with utmost realism. Seamless integration, HD lace frontal. The integration of an HD lace frontal elevates the wig to new heights of sophistication. Engineered with ultra-thin lace material, the HD lace frontal creates an illusion of a flawless hairline, seamlessly blending with your skin tone for a truly undetectable finish. Unleashing confidence, empowering women worldwide beyond its aesthetic appeal, the Bodywave 360 Full Lace Wig symbolizes empowerment and self-assurance. For women facing hair loss or simply seeking a change of style, this wig offers a transformative experience, instilling confidence and radiance with every wear. The next is Number 2, Isheeny 14-inch-24 Clip, in Human Hair, Hair Extension and Wings. This hair extensions is here with the 77% price off. Now you can get it at around $9. Isheeny Clip and Human Hair Extensions are a game changer for individuals seeking to enhance their beauty and style effortlessly. With their premium quality, seamless blend, and versatile styling options, these extensions offer endless possibilities for creating stunning hairstyles for any occasion. By investing in Isheeny Clip and Human Hair Extensions, individuals can unlock their full potential and express themselves confidently and boldly. Seamless blend. With their natural texture and luster, Isheeny Clip and Human Hair Extensions seamlessly blend with the wearer's natural hair, creating a seamless and undetectable finish. Whether styled in sleek, straight looks or voluminous curls and waves, these extensions offer versatility and authenticity. Easy installation. Isheeny Clip and Human Hair Extensions feature easy-to-use clips that allow for quick and hassle-free installation. Simply section your hair, clip in the extensions, and blend them with your natural hair for instant length and volume. The lightweight design ensures a comfortable fit without weighing down the hair. Customizable styling. Isheeny Clip and Human Hair Extensions can be styled, curled, and straightened to suit various occasions and preferences. Whether you're attending a formal event, hitting the gym, or lounging at home, these extensions offer versatility and flexibility, allowing you to express your unique sense of style effortlessly. Long-lasting performance. Thanks to their superior quality and craftsmanship, Isheeny Clip and Human Hair Extensions are highly durable and long-lasting. With proper care and maintenance, these extensions can maintain their softness, shine, and manageability for an extended period, providing wearers with reliable and consistent performance. Empowering confidence, Isheeny Clip and Human Hair Extensions empower individuals to embrace their natural beauty and express themselves confidently. The next is Number 1, Brazilian Straight Hair Bundles, Hair Extension and Wings. This hair extension and wings is here with the 70% price off. Now you can get it at around $11. Brazilian Straight Hair Bundles are meticulously crafted from high-quality Remy human hair sourced from Brazil. Characterized by their fine texture, natural shine, and exceptional durability, these hair extensions offer a seamless blend with the wearer's natural hair, resulting in a flawless and undetectable finish. Available in various lengths and quantities, Brazilian Straight Hair Bundles cater to diverse styling preferences, making them a popular choice among Black women seeking to elevate their look. Premium quality. Brazilian Straight Hair Bundles are crafted from 10A-grade Remy human hair, ensuring unparalleled quality and longevity. Each strand is carefully selected and aligned in the same direction to minimize tangling and shedding, resulting in soft, silky, and manageable hair extensions. Natural appearance. With their straight hair texture and natural luster, Brazilian Straight Hair Bundles seamlessly blend with the wearer's natural hair, creating a flawless and undetectable finish. Whether styled in sleek, straight looks or voluminous curls, these hair extensions offer versatility and authenticity. Versatile styling options. Brazilian Straight Hair Bundles can be styled in a myriad of ways to suit various occasions and preferences. From sleek ponytails and elegant updos to bouncy curls and beachy waves, the styling possibilities are endless, allowing individuals to express their unique sense of style effortlessly. Long-lasting performance. Thanks to their superior quality and craftsmanship, Brazilian straight hair bundles are highly durable and long-lasting. With proper care and maintenance, these hair extensions can retain their softness, shine, and manageability for an extended period, providing wearers with reliable and consistent performance. Empowering Black women. Brazilian straight hair bundles empower Black women to embrace their natural beauty and express themselves confidently. So this is the best option for you to buy.